Fanotomo Boomtown. Pano Aito, the defending Super Bowl champs. We're set to begin our matchup for tonight. Pano Aito, the defending champs, going against Fanotomo Boomtown. It looks like Pano will start on offense as Fanotomo defend. Roy Ledoux. Third down coming up. Roll out to the right. Places that one right in front of Really. Incomplete pass, and that brings up fourth down for Pano. And Pano elects to punt the ball. Ball spotted at the 37-yard line for Famatongo. Leading the Famatongo offense, none other than veteran Chaco Purdy. They throw there by Chaco. Number 19. Gain of 15 yards on that play. First down, Famatongo. Paul Tagiba'a, recipient of that throw. Chaco dumps it off to the running back on the left sideline. Catch is good. Able to get a first down on that play was Kobe Lefiti. Already in the red zone is Famatongo. Chaco dumps it off again to Kobe. Kobe runs for about 5 yards. Second down for Famatongo. 7 minutes, 30 seconds into our game.
Don't make sense. See, wake up like I gotta get it. And I got an engine for a trunk space. I get money 3 ways, fucking bitches 3 ways. 7 different formats, plus she's no eBay. But I make that bitch looking in the mirror like I wish I could be me. She's so into me, I'm more into money. My hobbies are body, that pussy what I think. I'm an 80.
Third down.
I'm an 80. I'm live, I'm a dick, superseded. Told her she my wife for the weekend. But don't be acting like I need you cause we poppin' like.
Voice from Julio. Third down. Raising the red signal. Looks like it's a touchdown for Famatongo. Kobe able to take that one in for 6 for Famatongo. Full time, going for 2. Two-pointers picked off. Looks like Tony Fisher. Oh, no, it's not. Trying to take it back out of the way. Finally stopped. That was number 6. Was a good defensive play. Malai Tassi Amisone. And 2-point conversion is no good. Score remains 6-0.
You losing money, you're mails, Dr. J. She gon' follow my lead. Simon says, paper, I'm riding scrapers in California. Cars smell like ammonia, we got that stank on us. Never been that outcast, that stank on you. From the ghetto, on my face like Apollonia. We in the hood, treated like a Mexican. Call 2 and my socialist niggas more like me. Got your bitch on that nigga.
Intercept at the line of scrimmage. That's a touchdown for Fangatomo defense. Score is now 12-0. This is how Pama starts every season. Sluggish in the beginning. Extra point is no good. Score remains 12-0.
So if somebody in the military was looking for a WGU, the very first thing I would say is
Change up at quarterback. Tony Fiso off the mark. Roy Ledoux, intended receiver on the play. Second down coming up. Dumps it off. Five minutes. This is Pamo's third possession. Third down and long. Dumps it off to the middle. Number 3 laterals out to Roy. Oh, that's Welly. Welly able to gain the first down. Good play there by big man, number 3. For the catch and lateral, Steven Smith. First down for Pamo. And they're starting to move the chains. Pamo trying to get over this championship hangover. Good defensive play there by the DB for Fangatomo. That was intended for Tala. Number 20, JP Edmond, able to swat that ball away from Tala at the last second. Second down, 20. 20 rolls out, drops it back into the middle. Laterals out to the That brings up third down. Three minutes, 30 seconds. Tony with a lot of time, makes a move down the middle. Tony runs for about 18 yards on the play. 3 minutes remaining. Fourth down. Timeout called by Pango.
Ben! Con lùng ai biết trên xây! Mày báo sao của?
3 minutes, 10 seconds remaining in first down.
Go! Sao để cái mấy à? Sao sao lùng?
Samueli called
Bắt
it.
sao nữa?
See if they're going to go for it or looks like they're going to go for it on fourth
Đâu
down.
lại? Đâu
Fourth
lại?
and short.
Vô!
Fourth and inches.
Ba cối đâu? Ba cối đâu?
Dumps it off to the big man, number 95. Matt Tassé with the tap, able to get the first down for Pango. And they move the chains. Third down.
Thôi đó mẹ. Ai cho có ai yêu không?
2 minutes, 45 seconds. So good drive for Pango right now. Rolls out to the right, looking downfield. Drops it up. Oh, picked off by the defense. Toonie throwing on the run. That's a turnover. Another intercept. Spotted at the 21-yard line. Tucker steps up, throws it, flying out, right down the middle. Number 11 in on the spot. Jed Mataugia. Kobe with the catch.
Come on, put some numbers.
Ball is picked off by Pango, number 2. Collins. Timeout. Jonica Collins, the quarterback from the Pango Kuoli team. Playing DB for Pango Super Bowl team. Able to come back with that kick. So that was 1 minute, 37 seconds. Time will start. Runs it out. Roy. Almost caught it off the tip of his hands. Time will start when the ball is set. Tony runs for a first down. 1 minute. $50 seconds and counting. Another dump off to Mac Tassé. The defense defense is right there to stop it. Timeout. And that's Paolo's final timeout for this half. 41 seconds. Still time on the clock, 34 seconds. That was my fair, Dominico, with a defensive play. Sorry, there was a flag on the play. Holding on the defense, 5 yards, repeat second down. Time will start on the whistle. Sack in the backfield. Third down. 15 seconds and counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is halftime. Our score is 12-0 in favor of Hamatongo.
Hey, Mom.
jail. You know the old sugar daddy. They be tricking. They tell them girls. Whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, sex on me. Patron, no ice. And we can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, late night sex, so wicked, so tight. I can't so legit for you tonight, baby. You can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like. Yeah. Anytime you want to, pick up the telephone. You know it ain't nothing. Drop a couple stacks on you. Want it, you can get it, my dear. $5 million home drop. Business, I swear. Yeah, I want your body. Need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it. Go get it, I buy it. Tell mother broke nigga, be quiet. Sex on me, control no ice. You can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. See, you can have whatever you like.
Tiff, Tiff. As we are about to start our second half, we'd like to acknowledge our sponsors for our Super Bowl tournament. None other than SoPac Bud Light and Evolve Fitness Gym. A big shout out to Henry Alvao Productions for living our games on YouTube. And we are set to begin our second half with Famatomo starting on offense. Ryan Halleck, Alfred Till in on the stop. Not after Jacoby Lefici gains about 8 yards on the play. That was a bullet intended for number 19, Paul Taliba. Incomplete pass, that brings up third down. Third and about 10. Ooh. Oh, Taliba got up there to get that catch. For a first down, Famatomo. Alfred in on the stop. There's a flag on the play. Looks like it's against the offense. And that'll take away 5 yards. Repeat second down. Sorry, second down. 9 minutes, 45 seconds. Tucker taking his time. Ball got out to the left side. Number 21. Oh, almost too long. On the coverage. Third down. Oh, he's picked off. Number 6, Tasi Amisome. With another interception for Pao Aeto. Good start for Pao on the second half. Able to come with a turnover. Force a turnover. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Powell with a quick screen pass out to the right. Pass of the field. Gain of 3 yards on the play. 7 minutes, 50 seconds. Number 1, Sidiato for 2 wow with the catch. No gain on the play. Paul Taliban coming in fast for that stop for Montoni. Number 4, right there, Tominico with a diving interception. Tony off his mark in this game. Seven minutes. Quick lateral out to Kobe Lafitti. First down for Antonio.
Panic.
Chaco faced the lateral. Almost picked off by number 0. Not able to hold on to that one is Christopher Isaako. Mark Tushua, intended receiver for Chaco. That brings up second down for Antonio. Fake shovel pass, throws this slant right down the middle. Kobe unable to bring it in. Incomplete pass. Third down for Antonio. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Flags all over the field. Five-yard penalty. Repeat third down. Third and long. About 22 yards to go. For Fangatomo to get a first down. 5-minute mark. Tackle goes for it. Good. Good play by number 4. Lianga Del Luma. Fourth down. Fourth and long. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. He's a quick score on this position. And force a turnover. 4 minutes, 32 seconds. Clock will start on the whistle. Interception. 4 minutes remaining. Runs it back for about 20 yards. Able to get into the red zone with that return. 4 minutes, 9 seconds. Looks like it's a false start on the offense. 3:45 and counting. Take the hand off. Out to the right. Able to run down and for a touchdown. Boomtown. And they are able to add on to their lead. Boys now 18 to nil with 3 minutes, 25 seconds remaining. Good. Off of a tip pass by the defender. Straight into the receipt. Score is now 20-0 favor of Saratoga Boomtown. Son minutos de desconocimiento partido. Son 5 minutes paano mo sila to ay? Foot race all the way, and that's a touchdown for Powell. Quick play. Jonica Collins, one of the bright stars from the Powell's Turkey Bowl team, able to make a big play for Powell. Touchdown, 20-6.
Ben, let's go! Hello! South ball!
Two-point conversion is good. Tooney with the keeper, able to add on to the score of 6. Now 8. Monotongo with a 12-point lead with 3 minutes, 11 seconds remaining. And Powell able to crack the egg on the last drive. A big play from Jonathan Collins.
Coach, don't want to tell it.
Incomplete pass. Two minutes, 30 seconds. I feel like I called that one. I don't know, with a good field position. Powell gets a good chance here to cut into the lead. Quick pressure down the middle. Legal rush on the defense, coming straight down the middle. 5 yards. Two minutes, 16 seconds. Pass intended for Roy. Incomplete pass, but there's a flag on the play. False start on offense. Minus 5 yards. Tony rolls out to the right. Wide open is Roy. Touchdown, Pango. Score is now 14-20, awaiting a 2-point conversion by Pango. And we are under 2 minutes, so it's stop time. Ooh! Looks like an illegal forward pass signal by waiting the call by the ref. Decision for the ref right now. Legal forward pass. 2-point conversion is no good. Score remains 20-14. 1 minute, 55 seconds. Runner already stopped on the backfield. Clock is running. One minute, 40 seconds, and counting. Second down for Fangatomo. Incomplete pass. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Incomplete pass under 2 minutes stops the clock. And third down coming up. One start on the snap of the ball. Chaco needs about 10 yards for a first down to keep this drive going. Nice throw and catch there. Able to get a first down. Timeout called by Puni. Pango with their first timeout of the second half. Maifea Tominico with that catch, able to get a first down for Fangatomo. 1 minute, 17 seconds. And Fangatomo with a new set of downs. Time start on a snap of the ball. Taco keeps it, runs down the middle. Good stop there. On the middle linebacker. Number 11, Jed Matatia. Timeout. Second down. Clock still running. 50 seconds. Tempo trying to use up all the time. This time handoff to Kobe. Stopped immediately by Ryan Halleck. Timeout, Cooley. And Powell. 38 seconds. And that's their final timeout. And they will not be able to stop the time anymore. Time will start on a snap of the ball. Third down for Pomatomo. Johnny called on the stop. Fourth and short. Set time will start. 20 seconds and counting. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's our final score, 20-14, favor of Pomatomo Boomtown. Another sluggish start by Pomo to start a tournament. I'd like to thank all our sponsors, Ball Fitness Gym, Soul Pack Bud Light, Production for living our games on Facebook.